Welcome! If you're looking to keep your Instagram feed a little quieter by muting someone's notes, you're in the right place. Instagram notes can be a fun way for people to share quick thoughts, but sometimes you just don't want to see every update. Here's how you can mute someone's notes on Instagram, updated for the latest version. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account and on the home screen. Next, head to the profile of the person whose notes you want to mute. You can do this by searching for their username or tapping on their profile picture from your feed or DMs. Once you're on their profile, look just below their bio for the following button. Tap on it. This will bring up a menu with several options to manage your connection with this account. In the menu, you'll see an option labeled Mute. Tap on Mute to open more settings. Now, you'll see toggles for different types of content you can mute from this person. Look for the toggle labeled Notes. Slide this toggle on. As soon as it's enabled, you'll stop seeing notes from this account in your Instagram DMs. That's it! You've successfully muted their notes. You'll still be able to see their posts and stories, unless you choose to mute those as well, but their notes will no longer show up at the top of your direct messages. Muting notes is a discreet way to control what you see without unfollowing or blocking anyone. If you ever change your mind, just follow these steps again, and turn the notes toggle off to start seeing their updates again. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with someone who might need a little peace and quiet on their Instagram feed.